Hello again. I realize it's been like, I think it's almost been 2 months since the last update log. Uh, I've been trying to get a feature ironed out, and it was not cooperating. just, I just got the bug sorted out today. That took way longer than anticipated. In any case, I've got a lot to show now at this point. I realized I made another log and actually forgot to put it up, so there's gonna be, this is the second one today, I guess. So yeah, let's get started. If you'll notice, there's this thing over here. This is relevant, kind of. I'll explain what it does after. It's just a placeholder object. Not anything here, nothing here looks any different. That's supposed to be the case, because this is not what we're working with anymore. I'm going to tab back to here and run this, which might take a moment, I guess. While I'm doing that, I'll tab back over here. Yep, that's functioning fine. If it takes too long, we'll cut this part out. Nope. Click the server, set the server up, and when this thing gets a weird UI layer over it, the server's set. I know that sounds really weird, but it's some sort of side effect of something. I think the server keeps this but changes scenes, so it keeps the background too but gets the new UI. Yeah, okay, that's gotta be what it is. In any case, that setup looks like a mess, but it doesn't really matter because it's the server. You'll notice over here there's an AI walking around. That's a spawner. That's only seen on the server, but it actually created a unit that paces. You'll also notice the shading is really wonky here. That's just a server-side thing. I don't know what it is, but oh, weird. Transparent objects don't get darker. I'll have to look into that, maybe. I don't know. Let's tab back over here and log in. You'll notice that when you spawn, you don't immediately see a character. You'll also notice there's a new character model. This is another thing that I was working on in between the two logs. Made one character design and modeled it. Animations is still a little off, considering walking backward is still the walking forward animation, but if you look in the back right over here, I don't know if you can see the mouse, or back right, no, back left. That's left, right? Yeah, back left. How did I forget? Wow, alright. I forgot what left was. In any case, if you can see, the animations sync up and movement syncs up on the right. Or on the left. Why do I keep saying right? This was one of the big issues I was having. That was being a royal pain. The other one was getting the AI to spawn correctly. Or another one was getting the AI to spawn correctly. Another one was spawning this character model on top of the empty player object, because right now the player is just an empty shell and this model follows the player around. The reason it works like this is, for example, if I were to change armor, so change my appearance, it would just swap out the two models like that. I mean, there might be a little bit of lag or something, but it won't have to copy the script over, copy all the variables. It just has to drop in a new skin, and that's it. Another thing I've done was allow these weapons to be attached to the new model. I know that sounds like it should already work, but in reality it should, but you know, this doesn't work optimally. It never works the way you want it to. This was a case of that. What was it doing? Oh yeah, I'd equip it. It didn't know where the hand was or the spell object was, so it would flip out and crash the server. Did that on both the client and the server. Had to look into that. So now when the model spawns in, not only does the player script attach itself to the model also attaches itself to the player script. And that fixed up the hand issues. Currently there's an issue where if you change your skin while holding a weapon, the weapon gets deleted. I'm aware of the issue, but currently, as there's no way to actually change the skin, it's not relevant. I'll fix it when it becomes an issue. Don't worry, I know it's still there. Thinking about it, I don't actually need that. There we go. Also, the attack animation. Oops. Oh, when you attack once, it resets to that animation. Alright. Curious. Also, there's a little bit of head clipping there I'm gonna have to fix. It's a little weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Also, a gap in the head behind the ear. I'll have to look into that too. Meh. Minor details. I might have to redo the hair anyway. In any case, the attack animation carries over too. It's a little clunky. That one needs updating. Really needs updating. Yeah, especially with that's a shifted, the roots shifted left in that one or something. I don't know if it's the model that's messed up or the animation. I'm hoping it's the animation. But in any case, this should be fully functional, and if I were to get another player to test it, I think it would be possible to see this character instead of the one that's been running before. Now, I don't really have any method of testing this right now, but yeah. This is slowly starting to fall back into place. I still have some issues to fix with this model. Some animations to finish up. I believe I still have a bug with these things, but I need another person to help test it before I can do anything regarding fixing it. Because it apparently allows you to pick up items that other players are standing next to. It's not just your closest item, it's everyone's closest item. I'll be looking into that bug as soon as I can get some assistance in actually locating where it might be. In the meantime, though, I'm probably going to work on porting over the new weapons for this, along with making some new animations, and slowly pushing towards, I think, what's next, questing? I gotta build a quest base and a base for talking at the exact same time. I might build the rough base for talking, then implement quests, and then do the advanced base, or the advanced talking interface that I was referring to a long time ago. Unfortunately, that one is a bit ambitious and will probably take way too long to complete. Also, yes, I know there's some clipping right there I'll have to deal with too. It looked fine in Blender. Whatever. There's also a lot of clipping in the head too. I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it when the time comes. In the meantime, it's functional. So yeah, I think that's about it. I guess it couldn't hurt to try to see if spells still work. Yeah, I kind of do. A little laggy. But huh. Alright, weird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if you can see on the left. It gets pulled up again, pulled up. Something's resetting there. I think this animation's resetting, but that one's not. I don't know, I'll have to look into it. In any case, what's this one gonna do? I don't think that's how lightning strikes work. Yeah, things a little off here. Yeah, I don't know what the fourth one is. In any case, I'll probably be working on porting over the weapons soon, so if I end up having enough time to do it, I'll showcase them next week or something. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Sorry it took so long to get this out. Those bugs, ugh. Those were not fun to try to fix. That took forever. Glad they're gone. Unfortunately, I'm sure these aren't the first, especially as this becomes more and more complicated. There's bugs hidden in other bugs. Those are the worst. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I can get something out next week.